Ryan from CarsAddiction.com, and today we have an unboxing for you. We've received a package from Amazon. This is a pack of Hot Wheels 50 pack, and the contents in them is unknown, and we'll be revealing them in front of you. To make more things interesting, we're revealing them on the hood of our Subaru Impreza. Glorified table at the moment. Unfortunately, we've got this from the US, and we're located in Europe, so it has to pass customs. That's why you see the tape. So, we got our 50 pack box. Quick look around. This is the first time we bought this. Nothing much that tells you what's inside it. It's all sealed. Looks like this box is from 2018. So we might have not the new stuff, which we're hoping for. Apart from that, there is no specific numbers. I'm not sure if this numbers can tell us, which lot is what. Maybe some lots have more JDM stuff, more lots have European stuff or American stuff. We are hoping that we do not get fantasy cars. We absolutely hate fantasy cars, and we're going to be putting them aside, either to give them away or sell them to make up for the cost of this box. So let's get to it. So let's open this. Mind you, we're using the hood of our car because it does need a respray anyways, and it might bring us some luck. So we open it, and we are presented with our 50 cars. At a quick glance, we could see that there are some cool stuff. Mind you, we don't have a treasure hunt in our collection, so if we find a treasure hunt, we'll be over the moon. So, first one out of the box is a 16 Camaro SS. That's a street car, kind of like this. This is gonna stay, so that's for keepers. Next on the list is a Dune Daddy. Nah. Don't like this Budge Eraser. I'm gonna give this away. Okay, yeah. We got a Skyline R33. This is what we're looking for. This is what we like. Stickerless street car, and it's JDM. That's definitely for a keeper. Okay, we've got this Rising Heat. Fantasy car, so yeah, nothing for us. We're gonna give away that. Electric Track, another car, not to our liking. That's for to give away. Custom Volkswagen Beetle. What do you think, guys? Should we keep this or not? Kind of like this. Yeah, we'll keep this. Kit Kart. Nope, definitely not. Okay, update 3 we keep, 4 we don't like, not going so good so far. Okay, we've got a Nissan GT-R 35. Kind of cool color scheme, green and gray. Not liking that much. I'm not sure if this is an error, but according to the box over here, it's not. That's how it is. So yeah, definitely keeping this. Maybe I'm going to customize it, do it a different color. I don't like the green on this. Track Manga. I know for sure that these are, custom cars from Japan. They look actually like this. The spoilers like this, but I don't like them, so giving this away. Porsche 918 Spider, keeper. So no treasure hunts at the moment. So these boxes are, no one knows if they actually have treasure hunts or super treasure hunts. They only have main lines, but maybe we'll be lucky to have one. This is a Dodge Charger stock car. I am not so fond about NASCAR, so I'm giving that away. Indy 500 Oval, not my thing. Volkswagen T2 pickup. Kind of like this, yeah, we'll keep this. 2016 Mercedes AMG GT3. Quite like this, it's quite nice. I'm constantly looking if I find the Super Treasure Hunt in the back over here, or a logo. So that's why I'm rotating this all around. But this one doesn't have one. Cadillac ATS VR. I know this is a street car. It's nothing we have common in Europe, and it's not to my liking. Giving away. Nissan Fairlady Z. You know what we're gonna do with this? We're keeping it. Datsun 510. Okay, now we're talking. Keeping this as well. Don't have that. Chevy Silverado. Truck. This is a hard one. For now, we're keeping it. Leave that there. So for now, we have. Okay, we've got 8 cars that we're not keeping. Okay, 2, 3, and 12 cars. So no, it's not a bad box actually. We have a lot of cars that we're keeping. Then we're not. Custom Ford Maverick. Quite nice, keeping that. Motosaurus, not keeping this. Crosando, not keeping this. Now some of these custom cars, fantasy cars, are reusable for their wheels or things if you do into customs. I don't do that much, so it's not an option for me. We have a Surf and Turf. It's not a fantasy car, it's like a custom car, but still not my thing. So we're gonna sell these. These cars are gonna go up for sale or giving away to make the cost of this box. Okay, we got a Mustang 2+2 Fastback. It's really nice. Okay, up next is a Porsche Panamera. Nice. Keeping that. We got a Corvette convertible. Keeping that. Camaro SS police car. Police cars are not my thing. I think we'll sell that. Dodge D100. Although I'm not familiar with this pickup, kind of like the trucks, so we are keeping this. We have a Chevy Nova. Not particularly familiar with Chevy Novas. Kind of like the Golf scheme over here. I think we'll keep this. Carbonator. Okay. Fantasy car, very interesting, but not my thing. A Dodge Little Express truck. Trucks, we're gonna keep it. The Hollinator. Okay, this is like a fantasy car, but it's not a real thing. But because it can have a car on top of this, might be useful. So keeping that as an exception. A Ford Ranchero. Okay, it's a nice car, but it's not to my. I'm not into Utes, so definitely selling that. Chevelle SS wagon. As you can see from now, I'm not into much of the old American stuff, so that's going to be sold as well. To make up, got Dodge Charger 500. Okay, that is a very big car compared to, say, the Nissan. Look how longer it is. We'll keep it for now. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Gotta keep a Corvette C2. It's keepers. You've got a Bubble-Matic. Wonder if these things actually do bubbles. I think they do actually. Flip up this and blow bubbles. So yeah, that's a fantasy car, we don't like that. We got a Mustang funny car. Nah, I think it'd be good as a for, you know, if you want to customize and use the parts of this car. You got the engine over there, but we're gonna sell it as is. Put that there. We got a wheelchair. Didn't know this was a thing. Rex Destroyer. Definitely not my thing. The exhausts and whatnot might be used for a custom, but we don't do that much here. Fangster. Definitely not our thing. We got a Muscle Bound. Not sure what this car is supposed to be. Again, not my thing. Justice League Batmobile. Looks like this works. There's a turret over here. Not my thing. Oh, cool. We got a motorcycle. Didn't know they make motorcycles. This fact is a real street bike. I think I have a friend who has a Ducati. Quite nice. But street bikes are not my thing, so we'll sell this. A Volkswagen Golf Mark II. I didn't know they were making the Golfs as well. It's quite nice actually. I like the color on this and the black hood. Definitely keeping this. Okay, we've got a Jeepster Commando. Yeah, like this. Really cool. It even has the motorcycle at the back. We're keeping this. Moto Wing. Nah, not my thing. Okay, we got a Honda CRX. Cool. I think this and this will be my favorite from the, you know, this releases. I would have liked the Datsun, but you know, it's in yellow. Yellow is not my favorite color. These two are definitely the nicer ones in the thing. I already have a black one, but this will complement. Octane, another fantasy car. 18 Copo Camaro. Quite nice color. I like the orange on this. That's like a 50th anniversary right over here. This is a treasure hunt. Let me know if it's a treasure hunt or not, with the TH over there. I don't know if there's anything anywhere else where I can read it, but keeping that. And the last in the box is Track Ripper, another fantasy car. Looks like we had more cars that we didn't like than we liked. So let's see how much we actually have that we liked. We have it, the unboxing of a 50-pack Hot Wheels. Is it worth the money spent on it? No, it is not. The reason is because from the 50 cars, we only selected 24 that we like. Of the other 26 we don't. So that's like an even split. So we're better off actually buying the cars individually and pick the ones we actually like. That being said, we did get some nice cars. Mercedes AMG, some Datsuns, Jeeps, Corvette Stingray. I never actually seen this on the shelves. Quite nice. Really like what turned out from this. I think some specific colors are only in these boxes, so that's a bonus. Never seen a Golf. I think these are my 3 favorite ones from this box. And we're going down to what was in the box that I did not like. I don't like fantasy cars at all, so had some of them, as you can see. Actually quite a lot of fantasy cars here. And then I had some cars, real life cars, but just too customized to my liking. Yeah, there might be someone likes them, especially this Ducati motorcycle. That is sweet. And these American cars over here, the Camaro and the Cadillac. Yeah, so my plan is to put these on eBay or some group, Hot Wheels group, see if anyone wants to buy them off me to offset the cost for this. In the meantime, is it worth buying a 50-pack box of Hot Wheels? No, it's not, because you end up with cars that you don't like. More cars that you don't like. If there's any cars you think are treasure hunts and that I'm not spotting, please do let me know, because I really don't know how to spot a treasure hunt. Coming soon, we film a bunch of classic Jaguars, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to make sure you're the first to know when that video is released. Take care.